Have you always been looking for a log home? Well, I know for some it's not just a house, but it's always been a dream. Well, I'm excited to let you know I've got one available between Ashcroft and Logan Lake. It's located at 428 North Road. Let's check the property out. Now the inside has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and I'm gonna be honest, there's a lot of stuff to look past right now. The property does need some updates and some TLC, but it was really well built. So it's ready for you to roll up your sleeves, give us some updates and bring this place back to life, and then you can have a magical retreat or a cozy full-time dwelling. This home sits on 0.21 of an acre. You're on community water. You have a septic system. The home is heated with wood heat and it was WETT certified. You do have a baseboard heat for backup. What do you think? Are you ready to bring this log home back to life? If so, give me a call. We're happy to help.